with Maria. This high-quality HoMedics sound spa helps Maria doze away quickly. To enjoy a deeper sleep, she can choose from 5 natural sounds to soothe her: thunder, ocean, rain, summer night, or brook. The white noise setting is perfect to help her relax while she reads or works, and the auto timer can be set for 15, 30, or 60 minutes. The sound spa is lightweight and portable, perfect in any setting, from a home office to a nursery. Maria trusts HoMedics, the established leader in wellness, to make her life easier and healthier, one innovative solution at a time.
Here's how to set up and use your new LectroFan Classic. Here's what you get in the box: a LectroFan, an AC power adapter, a USB cable, and an owner's manual. First, connect the USB power cable. On the bottom, you'll find a recess for the power cable barrel connector and 2 guides to keep the setup neat and tidy. Now, connect the USB cable to any standard USB power source. You can use the USB port on a desktop computer, the included AC to USB adapter, or an AC outlet which provides USB power. Your LectroFan will begin playing when you connect it to the power source. You can use the volume controls to set the volume to your liking. If you'd prefer that the LectroFan does not begin playing when it's plugged in, see the user guide for instructions on how to change this setting. Press the Fan Sounds button on the left to select fan sounds. Each time you press it, it will advance to the next sound. Press the White Noises button on the right to select white noises. Press it repeatedly to select the white noise variation. When you reach the first sound again, you'll hear this. Your LectroFan will remember the last sound and fan setting that you made when changing modes. This way, you can easily switch back and forth between your favorite fan sound and your favorite white noise. The sound that's playing when you turn off your LectroFan with the power button will automatically begin playing when you turn it back on. Your LectroFan will play continuously by default. You can use the timer button if you'd like your LectroFan to gradually reduce volume and shut off after you've fallen asleep. To turn off the timer, just press the power button to turn off your LectroFan, and then press the power button again to turn it back on. It will now play continuously. To change the power on default, learn how to perform a factory reset, or find out how to contact us, take a look at the included user guide.